Hey guys, I'm assuming you're here today because you're looking to make a raised garden bed this year. We've got a super affordable option for you. We bought all the supplies for this for under $20. And that can mean the world when you're trying to start a garden because this stuff adds up. If this content helps you at all, drop down below, hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps out our channel. Quick note on the pressure treated wood. A lot of people think it's crazy to use pressure treated wood. We decided that it was okay for us to do. It's a great price. And the new formulation that they use to pressure treat, the DCOI, it's a non-metal base, so we feel comfortable enough using it for our vegetables. If you are concerned about the pressure treated wood, an option is always to use 1 foot of plastic sheeting as a barrier against the wood. We're gonna go ahead and drop some articles down below in a link, that way you can read and make a decision for yourself on what you wanna do. First thing we're gonna do is rip the top of the fence boards. They're square. Next thing I'm gonna do is cut my end pieces to about 35 inches. I'm gonna use these 2x3s for my stakes to secure the boards together and also stake them into the ground. So I'm gonna cut those into 16-inch pieces, and we're gonna dig about 4 inches into the ground to secure them. Because I'm using 2x3s, it's not going to be very easy to pound this into the ground, so I don't have to dig. I'm just going to cut some 45-degree angles in the bottom of all of them. I don't want my wood to split when I put everything together, so I'm going to pre-drill some holes on the ends. Now that we have everything prepped, we're gonna lay it out on the ground where it's gonna be put together and then screw it together. So as you can see, the board is warped. So when we put it together, we're gonna put the warped side in so that the dirt pushes up against it so that we can try to make sure it doesn't become more warped. So over here, we marked our boards into 3 sections. We're gonna have 4 stakes total on each long side. So I just have it marked where the stakes are gonna go. As you can see, we only did 4 inches about into the ground. Some people choose to go longer, and then they end up getting stuck digging all day just to get their posts in. So I think it should be pretty easy just to hammer these in the quick 4 inches. Now all we gotta do is add the extra stakes. We're gonna add 6 more, and then we'll be done. If this content helps you at all, drop down below, hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps out our channel.